What's the meaning of Costa Book of the Year? Costa Book of the Year. Costa Book of the Year.
Costa Book of the Year. Costa Book of the Year. The Costa Book Awards is a UK-based literary award that recognizes the most outstanding English-language books written by authors residing in the United Kingdom and Ireland. The Costa Book of the Year award is the top prize in the Costa Book Awards and is selected from the 5 individual category winners: novel, first novel, biography, poetry, and children's book. The winning author receives a cash prize and is celebrated as the year's best overall book in the English language. It is considered one of the most prestigious literary prizes in the UK.